Constant fatigue is a problem many of us face, and it often seems unknown or complex. This feeling of exhaustion can stem from various aspects of life, including sleep, nutrition, psychological conditions, and lifestyle. When we look deeper into the issue, we realize how different factors work together to drain our energy. However, the good news is that with small and smart changes, we can solve this puzzle. One of the primary reasons for fatigue is poor sleep quality. If your sleep is affected by disorders like sleep apnea, your body doesn't enter deep restorative stages. Interestingly, even blue light from phones or laptops can disrupt your sleep cycle, as this light sends a signal to the brain that it is still daytime, which reduces melatonin production. In addition, nutrition plays a very important role. Deficiencies in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D, B12, and iron are major contributors to reduced energy levels. What's even more interesting is that a deficiency in lesser-known substances like copper can have the same effect because copper helps the body absorb iron. Therefore, even if you consume enough iron but lack copper, the problem persists. Stress is another factor contributing to fatigue. When we experience stress, our body produces more cortisol. This hormone provides short-term energy, but prolonged stress wears out the body. It's interesting to note that there is also positive stress. This type of stress helps us perform better in the face of challenges, but when it becomes uncontrollable, fatigue is inevitable. Dehydration is another factor that is often overlooked. Research has shown that even a slight decrease in body water levels can lead to reduced concentration and energy. If you feel tired, a simple glass of water might help restore some of your energy. A sedentary lifestyle also has a significant impact. If you spend long periods sitting, blood flow and oxygen supply to the muscles and brain decrease. Even simple movements, such as stretching for 30 seconds, can bring a sense of vitality. This reminds us that reducing fatigue doesn't require major changes. These small movements, known as energy-boosting micromovements, can work wonders. From a psychological perspective, depression and anxiety are common causes of fatigue. These conditions not only wear out the mind, but also decrease sleep quality, appetite, and energy levels. It's interesting to know that positive thinking can have a direct impact on the body. Just imagining a positive event, such as achieving a goal, can boost your energy levels. Finally, here's an interesting point. Your breathing pattern also affects your energy levels. Short, shallow breaths, which many of us unconsciously take, reduce oxygen supply to the body. Practicing deep diaphragmatic breathing can be a simple yet effective solution. Looking at these factors, we see that constant fatigue is not an unsolvable problem, but rather a puzzle that can be solved by optimizing sleep, nutrition, stress management, and incorporating movement into our lives. Paying attention to these points is a simple way to restore energy and vitality. What we face, we can find the roots of in our daily habits and choices. When we change these habits in a healthy way, we can easily overcome fatigue and achieve a more energetic and higher quality life. Therefore, paying attention to all aspects of our physical and mental health, from sleep to nutrition and stress management, can be an effective and comprehensive solution to this problem. Even small lifestyle changes can make a big difference in our overall sense of energy and vitality. Remember that none of these tips are sufficient on their own. Combining these healthy habits and creating a balance between them can help you not only overcome fatigue, but also achieve an active and energetic life. Now that you are aware of the roots of fatigue, it's time to take the first steps to adjust these habits and give yourself the opportunity to experience energy and vitality again.